Good morning students, and this is your general knowledge revision sheet, and here are some questions, and I will explain you the answers also. See, you have to answer these questions. And first question is, which is the largest member of the dog family? And which is the largest member of the dog family, my dear? We will write here answer. And grey wolf. Grey wolf is the largest member of the dog family. You will write in complete sentence, because we have already studied about the dog family and many other members of the dog family like Arctic wolf and red wolf. So these are the members of the dog family. You have studied in chapter 6, isn't jackal, coati, domestic dog, dhole. These are the members of the dog family. Second is, which is the largest member of the cat family? Okay, and here will be capital W, which is the largest member of the cat family, which is the largest member. And all of you know that tiger is the largest member of the cat family, isn't it? In the place of which we will write tiger, and then we will copy the question. See, tiger is the largest member of the cat family. What I have done, in the place of which I have written tiger, and then I have copied the whole question, and my question is complete, isn't it? Now see, next question, what does wolf teach us? And if you have studied the chapter dog family, you will see downside that there are some life lessons. Okay, and it is given, what does wolf teach us? There is written, wolves are loyal to their pack. They are the ultimate team players. They work together to achieve a common goal. And they teach us loyalty and teamwork. So from here we will start. Wolf. Okay? And wolves, we will make wolf teach us loyalty and teamwork. Clear? Now next question is, where is Sanchi Stupa located? And do you know where is Sanchi Stupa located, my dear? It is located in which state? Stupa of Sanchi. It is in Madhya Pradesh. Sanchi Stupa is located, and then we will add in Madhya Pradesh. And what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Bhopal. To which religion Sanchi Stupa belong? And if you will read the short notes which is given in your book about Sanchi Stupa, you will see that it belongs to Buddhist religion. Okay, so from here we will start the answer, and we will write Sanchi Stupa belongs to Buddhist religion. Now we will go to the next question. To which religion Lotus Temple belong? All of you are knowing where is Lotus Temple. It is located in Delhi. In which shape it is? It is in the shape of lotus. That's why it is called Lotus Temple. And Lotus Temple is related to Baha'i religion. From here you will write Lotus Temple. Oh, to which religion Lotus Temple belong? Lotus Temple belong. Wait. Lotus Temple belong to Baha'i religion. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. To which religion Golden Temple belong? And Golden Temple belong to Sikh religion. Golden Temple belong to Sikh religion. Your answer will start from here. Golden Temple belong to Sikh religion. Now we will come to the next question. Where is Golden Temple located? And Golden Temple is located in we will start the answer from here. Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. And where is Amritsar? In the state Punjab. Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. You all will write the question answers in very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, dear.